Maybelline. Ultra Slim lipstick is long and slim.
Well, hello there. It's been a while. Let's just not talk about that. If you want to learn how to get this look, just keep watching. It's a great time, I guess. Don't question how long I've been gone. Just focus on the now, the here and now, and the future. That's all you have to worry about. How do I make up? Okay, so we're going to go in. We're gonna start. Well, nope, no, we're not. I'm going into the Smashbox Photo Finish, the Photo Finish primer. I'm rubbing that out on my face. I really just focused that primer in the middle of my T-zone. My T-zone. I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in green to conceal all the red spots that I have. It's a good look. Then I'm gonna take my Anastasia cream contour kit. I'm taking this peach shade and putting it underneath my eyes because I don't get any sleep. I'm gonna blend that in with my Putty blender. Now I'm gonna go into Lancome Tint Idol foundation. Then I'm going with the butt end of my beauty blender. For concealer today, I'm going into the NARS Creamy Radiant. What is this? I don't know. The pot version of the Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel. I don't even know what's happening anymore. I'll take this end of my beauty blender and just blend it all in. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier, the translucent powder, translucent. Now time for the gorgeous eyebrows that I do not have. Wow, that's amazing. These eyebrows just appeared. Bang bang, the boogie to the boogie, the up jump the boogies to the bang bang boogie, let's rock. You don't stop, body rock. So while I was gone, I just carved out my eyebrows with the same concealer as I used as my under my eyes, and I just swap away the bake that I had on, and then that's about it. Now we're gonna move into contour. We're gonna go into the Anastasia contour kit, but the powder version, not the cream, not the cream. I'm doing that in my cheeks, underneath my chin, and then on temples. And for blush today, I'm gonna use Anastasia because we stand for Anastasia. Blush Trio in Peach Love. And I'm gonna go into Nectarine and Ginger. our transition shade today. We're going to go into the, I honestly don't remember what this is called, Texture Eyeshadow Palette Rose Gold Edition. Just the regular one, not the new one. By Huda Beauty. And we're going to go into Sandalwood, and that's where our transition shade is going to be, okay? Going to the same palette, I'm taking Henna, which is right next to Sandalwood. I'm showing you very well. Look at that talent. Next, I'm going to the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is a little messy. And I'm going to take, I honestly don't remember the names of the shades because I don't know what happened to the thing. I'm taking this shade right here, this shade right there, and then I'm just going to put that in the outer V, and you'll see. And then I'm going to go in with the brush that had henna and sandalwood on it. I'm just going to windshield wiper, blend it out, whatever. And then next we're going to go into an oldie but a goodie. Anastasia Modern Renaissance. I can't speak. Anastasia Modern Renaissance. You know what it is. Everybody knows what it is. Because we stand Anastasia, because she's a queen, she's my goddess. And then we're going to go into Cypress Umber, which is this dark shirt. Taking this brush that had that shade from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, great. Now that it looks like you've been punched in the eye, we're gonna go and do a cut crease, because cut creases. And I'm going back into the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and I'm just gonna do a cut crease. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm going to take the Cypress Umber, and then I'm going to blend. For the cut crease part, we're going to add like a little shimmer. And for my graduation, I did a silver and a pinkish shimmer, but I think I'm going to do a pink and a gold shimmer, so almost like a rose gold moment look. I hate myself. For the rose gold, I'm gonna go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I'm gonna pick this top shade right here. 10 out of 10 Sierra. This shade right here, and then that's gonna be like the center of our look. The all-nighter spray. I'm gonna spray a couple sprays on there. God! And then for the gold, we're still sticking with the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're just gonna go into the gold right underneath the shade that I just took for the rose gold right here. Great. And then I thought, just to be more extra, I was gonna go into the Visart palette, Petite Pro palette. It's very small. I'm going into this shade right here. It doesn't look rose gold on camera, but. And then same thing with the gold. It's right next to this, the other shade I just used. We're gonna go in with eyeliner. Now we're gonna go into Jeffree Star. Whipped, and we're just gonna line that right underneath our wing. At this point, I'm just winging my eye look. Okay, for the lower lash line, we're gonna go into Cypress Umber. We're gonna go back into henna and then just smoke it out basically. Okay, now for the lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick. Then next for lashes, we're going to go into Bad Girl. Bang bang, the boogity boogity, so up jump the boogie, so the bang bang boogie, let's rock. You don't stop, make your body rock. And for eyelashes today, I'm gonna use Cosmetic London Eyelure Luxe in, I think is Baroque, and that might be this, I don't know. There's a lot of words and I don't know which one it means. Now time for the main event, the highlighter. This is all I want in life, is to shine like a god. So for highlighter today, I'm going to Anastasia Beverly Hills. They should, like, Anastasia call me up by this point, honestly, in Emerezi. I think I'm going to top it with Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter and Fire Dust just as a topper. Not too much, just on the cheekbones. We're going to go into Jeffree Star again in Designer Blood, the velour liquid lipstick. And to add a little bit more depth to the look, I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Rihanna's Fenty Beauty and Uncensored. And just dab that in the middle of my lips. And to finish this look off, we're gonna spray some all-nighter all over. I'm moist. I hate myself.
Look what I'm whipping up, look how I'm kicking up. I'm so pretty.